Welcome back to Global Top 7, the channel where we rank the world's most insane, most mind-blowing lists. Today, we are counting down the top 7 fastest production cars in the world. We are talking verified top speeds, jaw-dropping acceleration numbers, million-dollar price tags, and the kind of engineering that makes aerospace scientists take notes. These are not concept cars. These are real machines you can actually buy if you have the money. Hit that like button, subscribe for fresh top 7 every week, and let us get into it. Number 7. The Rimac Nevera R. This Croatian electric hypercar is a genuine game-changer. 4 electric motors, over 2,100 horsepower, a top speed of 267 miles per hour, and 0 to 60 in just 1.7 seconds. In 2025, it broke 24 world performance records in a single testing session. The price? Around $2.4 million. Only 150 were ever made, and every single one sold out immediately. The Nevera R proves that electric power is no longer the slow option, it is the terrifying option. Number 6. The Hennessey Venom F5. America's answer to the hypercar world, and it is absolutely unhinged. A twin turbocharged V8 producing 1,817 horsepower, a top speed verified at over 271 miles per hour, and 0 to 186 miles per hour in just 8.4 seconds. Only 24 were ever built, priced at around $2.1 million each, and every single one sold out immediately. Hennessey built this car for one reason only, to be the fastest American machine ever created, and it very nearly is. Number 5. The Aspark Owl SP600. Most people have never heard of Aspark. It is a small Japanese hypercar brand, and in 2024 it was officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the fastest battery-powered electric production car on Earth. Top speed of 273 miles per hour, 1,956 horsepower from 4 electric motors, and 0 to 60 in 1.7 seconds. Only 20 units are available. This tiny Japanese company built a car that shocked the entire hypercar world, and almost nobody saw it coming. Number 4. The SSC Tuatara. Built in America by a small independent company called SSC North America, the Tuatara is one of the most powerful production cars ever built. A twin turbocharged V8 producing up to 1,750 horsepower on ethanol, a verified one-way top speed of over 301 miles per hour, and a price tag of around $1.9 million. Only a handful were ever produced. The name Tuatara comes from a New Zealand reptile known for having the fastest evolutionary DNA on Earth, and the car absolutely lives up to that name. Number 3. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. In 2019, Bugatti made history by becoming the first car manufacturer ever to break the 300 miles per hour barrier in a production vehicle, recorded at 304.77 miles per hour at Bugatti's own test track in Germany. The engine is an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 producing 1,600 horsepower. Only 30 were ever built, each sold for around $3.9 million, and every single one was sold before production even began. This is the car that rewrote the record books permanently. Number 2. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. When Christian von Koenigsegg himself says this is the fastest Koenigsegg they will ever build, the world listens. Theoretically capable of 330 miles per hour based on simulations and aerodynamic testing, the Jesko Absolut features a twin turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 pushing out 1,600 horsepower and weighs just 1,390 kilograms. The drag coefficient is an incredible 0.278, making it one of the most aerodynamically efficient hypercars ever designed. The official top speed run has not yet happened, but when it does, every record on this list may need to be rewritten. And number 1, the BYD Yangwang U9 Extreme. This is the one that genuinely shocked the entire automotive world. In September 2025, this all-electric Chinese hypercar set the new official world record for the fastest production car on the planet, a verified top speed of 308.4 miles per hour recorded on a runway in Germany. 4 electric motors, nearly 3,000 horsepower, powered by a cutting-edge 1,200-volt electrical system, 6 times more powerful than a standard family electric car. Only 30 units will ever be made, and the most shocking part? This record was set not by Bugatti, Koenigsegg, or Ferrari. It was set by a Chinese electric car brand that most people outside of Asia had never even heard of 5 years ago. The future of speed just arrived, and it is electric. And that is your top 7 fastest production cars in the world. From the Rimac Electric Revolution to the American Venom Brute Force to a Chinese electric hypercar rewriting history at over 300 miles per hour, the race for speed has never been more exciting, more global, or more unpredictable. Which car blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments right now. Would you pick the Bugatti or the Koenigsegg? Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a ranking. Next week could be the top 7 most expensive cars ever sold, or the top 7 greatest racing drivers of all time. Global Top 7, ranking the world together. See you soon!